All right, let's continue. I made a pause because I couldn't find this piece. I couldn't find it. So now let's resume. This is the segment that I still have to fold the tabs. Same way, I'm going to apply glue. But notice that it's getting not rounded, it's getting flatter and flatter and flatter following the shape, because like this segment is rounded and it becomes oval and oval and almost flat. So you have to follow that. Notice that here it's not totally circular, it's more like an oval, and you have to shape this piece also. You're gonna flatten it a little bit. Now let's apply the glue. I'm gonna get another brush, a much smaller. All right, ready. So remember, start with a seam line. There. And work on the next part. And it's almost perfect. Look, I really don't have to do much. Let it dry. Now you can make use of the tweezer here to grab these tabs that are in the inside, so they will attach better here. Just press firmly. We're getting there. Okay, and now we're going to glue. I'm gonna put more glue here on my okay. Now I'm going to apply glue on this segment. It's kind of not so easy to do this while you are looking at your model with your magnifying glass while your iPhone is pointing and you cannot see if you're aiming. I know that this is the area but that the camera is aiming, so forgive me if I keep moving and you cannot see. Anyway, let's do this. This is it's flat here, but this is the segment that you have to be careful in gluing there. So it's a nice fit, and just leave it like that, and it's as good as the original. So I hope my friend who asked me how I do this is pleased and happy to see in this technique how I came up with almost a perfect shape of a model. I'm telling you, it's through experience and skill and technique that you can do all these things, and hope that this video will help not only you but a lot of others who are really wondering how I do these things. It's just with technique. So let's complete this section now.